Let's take a look at the Agility Intelligence Suite. The Agility Intelligence Suite is made up of these 5 applications. The Interpreter, which takes unstructured documents and helps automatically create orders, POs, and other transactional items in Macola automatically. The AI Packing Plan helps you build shipments based on weights and dimensions and boxes that you have in inventory. The AI Agent is designed as a natural language interface, more like a friend that can talk to Macola and give you answers. The AI Fusion Scheduler is a whiteboard application that helps you simply drag and drop your orders from POP or shop floor or even a manually created order right into Fusion to build a production plan. And the AI Automation tool is a way to stack different transactions together and pull things together similar to an event manager, but more powerfully because it has the object library behind it from Wisys. Let's focus on the agent for a minute. The AI agent presents a simple to use interface and the ability to ask questions down at the bottom. Let's see how it works. As you can see, I have the Agility Intelligence Suite open, and there are the applications right here. I'm going to click on the agent. When I click on the agent, I have some stored queries here that I ask on a regular basis. I'll click the inventory one. And you can see here, this is what it was recorded. Show items with low stock levels. And I can see here that one of the items, the onions, item 1048, is definitely short. So let's just come down here and say, please create a PO for item 1048 for vendor 100 due date May 30th, 2026. Go ahead and execute that. And because this is a powerful process, it's calling a business object. I need authority to do that. So I do have authority, but I still have to check a box to say go do it. And it went ahead and created it. And you can see here there's purchase order 8121 release 00. Let's just hop over to Macola and take a look at it. Come into POs and take a look at a PO 8121. And you can see here it's created it based on the requirement. It's still not released, so somebody in purchasing still needs to deal with it. But it was easy to do, and I've created it. If we go a little further, we could say how many customers have open sales orders right now. There are 9 unique customers. List of customers. So you can see it just goes on and on. You can have a conversation about all the things you need to do with Macola today. And it's very powerful, and I hope you'll take a look at it when you have the opportunity. Thank you.